Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This is a 360 video and you can view around by swiping, tilting, clicking, whatever works for your device. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are at the intersection of Maxfield Avenue, Hagley Park Road and Eastwood Park Road. We are on Maxfield Avenue, Eastwood Park is just ahead and Hagley Park Road is to the right and left. Papine is to the east, that is right, which will take you onto Hope Road. But Hagley Park Road here on the right is a one-way road going west, which is left. So we have to drive across onto Eastwood Park Road, around onto South Odeon Avenue, across onto Sodamere Road and Parish Place to get onto Hope Road. We are now driving onto Eastwood Park Road, and on the left we are passing the St. Andrew Parish Church. Mullines Road is on the left. Eastwood Park Road continues straight, making the right onto South Odeon Avenue, and to the left is the Halfway Tree Transport Center. To the right is the Public Broadcasting Corporation of Jamaica. The building formerly houses the Jamaica Broadcasting Corporation, JBC. JBC went off here in 1997, purchased by Radio Jamaica Limited. We are basically in the middle of Halfway Tree and now at the intersection of South Odeon Avenue, Constant Spring Road and Sodamere Road. Additionally, the Halfway Tree clock is a few meters to the right. Also here on the right is the Halfway Tree bus stop and the Mandela Park. On the right is Spencer James Drive. Here's a bit of history on JBC. The Jamaica Broadcasting Corporation, JBC, was a public broadcasting company in Jamaica founded in 1959 by Premier Norman Manley with the aim of emulating the success of other national broadcasting companies such as BBC and CBC. Earlier, we have made the right of Sodamere Road onto Parish Place, and we are now at Hope Road and Parish Place intersection. Making the left of Parish Place onto Hope Road. For most of its 38-year existence, JBC was the training ground for many Jamaican journalists and considered the standard for modern Caribbean broadcasting. On the right is Winchester Business Center. Broadcasters such as Hugh Kraskill, Tony Patel and Leonie Forbes started their careers on JBC television. We are now at the Surbiton Road, Winchester Road and the Hope Road intersection. JBC was also the early stamping ground for disc jockeys such as Errol Thompson, E.T., Winston Williams, Barrington Gordon, Barry G, and Michael Camber, Mikey Dread. On the right, we are passing Jamaica Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. On the left here is Carvalho Drive. In 1997, the then Prime Minister P.J. Patterson, under the Public Broadcasting Corporation of Jamaica Act, divested the JBC with an announcement of the creation of a new organization, the Public Broadcasting Corporation of Jamaica, PBCJ, to provide public broadcasting. We are now at the Waterloo Road, Trafalgar Road and the Hope Road intersection. Just ahead, to the right, is Abbey Court Apartments, and also ahead to the left is Devon House, one of Jamaica's most celebrated historic landmarks. The Devon House Mansion, located to the left, is the architectural dream of Jamaica's first black millionaire, George Stibel. Having gained his wealth from gold mining in South Africa, Stibel was among 3 wealthy Jamaicans who constructed elaborate homes during the late 19th century at the corner of Trafalgar Road and the Hope Road. This corner fittingly became known as the Millionaire's Corner. The Devon House Mansion is a beautiful blend of Caribbean and Georgian architecture, furnished with an expertly curated collection of Jamaican, English and French antique pieces and reproductions. The road on the left is Kingsway, and the road just right is Phoenix Avenue. Additionally, to the right is the Andrews Memorial Hospital. Devon House has since evolved from being home of Jamaica's first black millionaire, George Stibel, to being synonymous with fun, family entertainment, and recreation in Kingston, where guests can tour, shop, dine, and relax. On the right, we are passing Andrews Memorial Seventh-day Adventist Church. The road on the left here is Queensway. On the left is Liberty Academy at the Prairie, Preparatory, Kindergarten, and the High School. On the left is the Police Officers Club, and on the right is Arden Preparatory and Extension High School. Also on the left is the Ronnie Williams Entertainment Center. On the right is Arden Road, and also to the right is the Private Sector Organization of Jamaica, PSOJ. On the left is Jamaica House. Jamaica House is the official office of the Prime Minister of Jamaica. On the right is Linstone Crescent. On the right is Maven Avenue. We are now at East Kings House Road, Lady Musgrave Road, and the Hope Road intersection. East Kings House Road is the road on the left, which can take you to Barbican, Grandspen, Jacks Hill, and other communities. Kings House is located just left, and there is a road on the immediate left which takes you into Kings House. Kings House is the official residence of the Governor General of Jamaica, who represents the Jamaican monarchy and the head of state. Lady Musgrave Road is on the right, which will take you to New Kingston. On the right is Glen Hope Avenue. On the left is the Bob Marley Museum. The Bob Marley Museum is the former home of the reggae legend. Bob Marley's home is filled with rich memories and mementos which seek to preserve the life and accomplishment of this great Jamaican and outstanding musician. Marley Road is on the left, Hillcrest Avenue is on the right. Roseneath Avenue is on the right, Oak Mews is on the left. On the left is Sanders Avenue. On the right is Clevedon Avenue. On the left is Hollywood Road. On the left is Richins Avenue and on the right is Donhead Avenue. On the left is Hope Close. On the right is Hopefield Avenue and also Campion College. On the left is Sandy Park Lane. Campion College is a co-educational Roman Catholic Ignatian co-educational high school located in Kingston, Jamaica. The school is known for its outstanding academic and sporting record. On the left is Ligani Avenue, and Ligani Avenue can take you onto Barbican Road and also into Barbican Community. Ligani Avenue also takes you to the west entrance of Sovereign Center Shopping Mall. On the left is Sovereign Center Shopping Mall, and to the right you can find the Ligani Post Office. We are now at Barbican Road, Hope Road and the Old Hope Road intersection. Barbican Road is on the left, which takes you to Barbican, Millsboro and the other communities. Old Hope Road is on the right, which takes you to Crossroads, Beverly Hills, the Jamaica National Stadium, onto Mountain View Avenue and to other places. Here is the end of Hope Road, and we are now going on to Old Hope Road. On the left is Lane Plaza and on the right is Ligani Plaza. On the right is Monroe Road. On the left is Donwell Road. Also on the left is Northside Drive. To the right is the US Embassy, the same as Embassy of the United States. The mission of the United States Embassy is to advance the interests of the United States and to serve and protect US citizens in Jamaica. On the left is Confidence View Lane, and also here on the left is Standpipe Lane. The road on the right will take you onto Mona Road and also back into Halfway Tree. On the left is St. Margaret's Anglican Church, Ligani. On the left is Ravina Road. On the left is Jamaica College, JC. Jamaica College is a public Christian secondary school and sixth form for boys in Kingston, Jamaica. It was established in 1789 by Charles Drax, who is the grandnephew of wealthy Barbadian sugar planter James Drax. Jamaica College provides traditional classroom education to its students in a variety of subject areas and caters to students aged 10 to 19 years. To the left is the entrance to Jamaica College, and on the right is Blue Castle Drive. The school was first established as a boarding school for boys. It has remained a single-sex school with the boarding facilities removed, but later reopened in 2016. On the left is Oak Boulevard, and Oak Boulevard will take you to Oak Pastures. Additionally, Oak Boulevard will take you to the Institute of Forensic Science and Legal Medicine, and also to Oak Pastures Park. The road far right, running parallel with Old Oak Road, is Bougainville Avenue. Also on the right is Mona Heights. On the left is the Oak Botanical Gardens. Adjoining the Oak Botanical Gardens is the Oak Zoo, which has many animals from several parts of the world. On the right is Garden Boulevard, and on the left is the Ministry of Agriculture Road. The Ministry of Agriculture Road will take you to Jamaica Bauxite Institute, Scientific Research Council, Mines and Geology Division, Ministry of Industry, Commerce and Agriculture and Fisheries, and Water Resource Authority. On the left is Hope United Church. On the right is Daisy Avenue. On the right is University Crescent. On the left is the University of Technology, Jamaica, UTech. The University of Technology, Jamaica, formerly the College of Arts, Science and Technology, is a public university in Jamaica. Welcome to Papine. To the right is John Golden Road, and the road will take you to the University Hospital of the West Indies, the University of the West Indies, Augustown, and the other communities. Turning onto Chandos Place, and on the right is the Papine Park and Papine Square. The road Chandos Place is a reminder of a dissolute aristocratic English family that once owned more than 3,000 acres of the Ligani Plain, known as Hope Estate. The road ahead is Gardentown Road, and we are making the right in the Papine Square, heading back towards Halfway Tree. The irony is that none of the 3 generations of Duke ever landed on Jamaican soil, having acquired the land through marriage. To the left, you can find the Papine Market. We are now back at John Golden Road, which is on the left. The University of Technology, UTech, is on the right, and we are heading towards Halfway Tree. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.